Alright, everybody. I'm trying something different. I'm using a front view and a rear view in this video. Right now, the video, we're on Interstate 10 in Houston, fixing to get on. We just got on to Loop 610 going around Houston. And this was kind of hard to match up. I had to pick out certain vehicles to in order to try to time this thing where it came out right. But I did the best I could. I don't know why that black square is in there. I tried to get it out. I don't know why it's there. I'm sure it's something that I did, but I think it's supposed to be a picture-in-picture thing. And I didn't know how to get pictures in there, so. Anyway, we're still on 610 loop around Houston. We're fixing to get off onto US Highway 59 or the new Interstate 69 out of Houston, headed north. And then we'll run up to Beltway 8 and cut back across to Interstate 45. Anyway, I'm trying to time this where when the front view cuts out, the rear view picks up, or vice versa. Like I said, it's a pretty challenging thing to do. These vehicles are whizzing by me so fast, it's pathetic. And this guy in front of me right here, he can't figure out what he wants to do. He don't know if he wants to stay on 610 or if he wants to get off on 59. But if you're watching right here, he goes like he's going to get off on 59, and then he gets back over. So, anyway, I hope he figured out where he went to. He just pulls over and stops right there. That's a pretty good shot from the back. But, yeah, this is a pretty tricky transition right here from 610 on to here, because you got two lanes coming in where I'm coming into three lanes, and these cars are not slowing down at all. Trying to figure out where I'm at here. I think we're coming up to Beltway 8. Yeah, we're on US 59 coming up to Beltway 8 in Houston. The audio from the video is so loud that it really hurts your ears to listen to it. But anyway, here in a minute, I'm gonna stop the voiceover and just let the video play. The video's about 15 minutes long. Yeah, we're fixing to get off on the Beltway 8 here. Yeah, that flatbed truck right there, he was cruising pretty good. It should change back over to the front view here in a minute. And he disappeared real quick. He was rolling. I think the flatbed will be coming up on the right or on the left here. Just a second. Oh, this truck and this trailer with that tank on it right there. Me and him ran together for a long way down through there. You'll see me and him He'll be ahead of me, then he'll be behind me, then he'll be ahead of me, then he'll be behind me. It was pretty crazy the way all that happened. Anyway, I'm going to end the voiceover here. Just let y'all watch, but thank y'all for watching. There goes the flatbed right there. Way over there on the left. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all let me know what y'all think of these kind of videos, because I hadn't been doing much videoing while I was at home. I hadn't felt like doing it. I'm kind of getting tired of doing trucking videos. But anyway, y'all have a good one, and thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Y'all just bring it.